Good morning, everyone. It's Rachel from alnrach +2 here with a quick tip on how to check your Apple Pencil battery life. A lot of you have been asking me, how do you see it? Because there's no indicator on this pencil what the battery life is. And if you're wondering, I just got this silicone case on Amazon for my pencil. I don't like the big bulky ones. Well, that's a lie. I do like them, but I like to switch around every now and then. And this is the silicone one. I love it. And it has a little cap protector right there because the cap on the Apple Pencil gets lost very quickly. So what you do to check your battery life on your Apple Pencil is you're going to scroll over to your widget section. And if you don't know where that is at, these are my different apps, right, on my iPad Pro. And I have the 10.5 size. If you scroll one more time to the right, these are your widgets. These are my widgets. And right up here at the top, you will notice that it gives me a battery life for my iPad Pro as well as my Apple Pencil. And right now my Apple Pencil is at 59%, which is okay, not a big deal. If you don't have this particular widget seen, I'm going to show you how to add that. So you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, click that button that says Edit. And on this screen, it shows you all the widgets that are available. At the very top, this is what I have currently selected that I like to see whenever I scroll to that page. And then down here, these are widgets that you can add. So the way you add a widget is, let's say if I wanted to see the Amazon app, you just click on that plus icon and it brings it right up there automatically for you. See it there? Then if I want to, you can kind of move these around depending on which order, whatever your preference is. These three lines indicates that you can move it around. So you just tap and hold, it'll release it, and then you can drop it anywhere you want it to go. Super, super simple. I don't want Amazon, so we can remove her. Click done, and it's there. Now, since my Apple Pencil is at 59%, I'm not gonna go ahead and charge it because I like my Apple Pencil to die completely. I just feel that it gets a better charge. But the way you do charge your Apple Pencil is at the very top, remove that cap. You see this little thing, I don't know what it's called, but you're just gonna plug it in right here to your iPad Pro or whatever iPad you have. Just stick it in there, leave it in there, and it'll like poke out like all weird like, but it's okay. Leave it in there and it'll charge it for you. Or you can purchase the separate charger from Amazon, which I haven't done yet. I just didn't want to spend the money. And that's basically it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Questions or comment, let me know. Next up will be how I crop my stickers and put them into let me show you a sneak peek of what I'm going to show you next time. My current planner. This is my current planner that I'm using right now. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Let's go over to October real quick so you can see. Look at my October. How cute is October? So cute. Yeah, I haven't done anything, so I'm gonna do that with you guys so you can see how I decorate my planner. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you soon.